This is the junction box. The junction box provides a central point for all the data connection cables from each of the various sensors. As you can see, each of the components has 2 ports for data connections. This allows you to effectively daisy chain between components. This can be used if components are particularly close together. As with any CAN network, there needs to be 2 terminating resistors in the system, no more and preferably no less. This is the location of one of our terminating resistors in our junction box. If you have a large system with more than one screen interface board or more than one junction box, you will need to ensure that the total number of terminating resistors is 2, so you may need to remove one